Hello, welcome back to Knowledge Diary. For more learning, subscribe it now. If you find it helpful, like and share it with your friends and family. Let's get started. Today we will learn about parts of speech lesson number 4. What is adverb and types of adverb? Please watch complete video to understand completely about adverb and its types.
What is adverb? An adverb is a word or a set of words that modifies verbs, adjectives and other adverbs. It tells when, where, and how an action is performed. Or it indicates the quality or degree of the action. Many adverbs end with ly, but some words which end with ly, such as friendly, are not adverbs. Many words can be both adverbs and adjectives according to their activity in the sentence. Example of adverb: Robin is always hungry for success. I love her very much. He is running fast. Alex works hard. He wrote that willingly. In the first sentence, success is an adverb. In the second sentence, very much is an adverb. In the third sentence, fast is an adverb. In the fourth sentence, hard is an adverb. In the last sentence, willingly is an adverb. Now let's discuss different types of adverb, which are conjunctive adverb, sentence adverb, adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of degree, adverb of manner.
What are conjunctive adverbs? A conjunctive adverb connects phrases or independent clauses. It provides transitions between ideas and shows relationships. Conjunctive adverbs are also called connectors. Here are some examples of conjunctive adverb. You can get ideas of conjunctive adverbs from these sentences. It rained last night. Nonetheless, the final match has not been cancelled. We are still confused, however, if the umpires will come. Last season there was a great drought, consequently, we could not grow crops. We underline some words like nonetheless, however, consequently, which are used as conjunctive adverbs in the above sentences.
Sentence adverbs. A sentence adverb is a type of adverb which starts the sentence and modifies the whole sentence. Words like hopefully, apparently, and certainly etc. are some sentence adverbs. Example of sentence adverb. Hopefully, we will win the match. Apparently, the sky is getting cloudy. Certainly, I did not think of coming here. Hopefully, apparently, and certainly modifies the sentences.
Adverbs of time or frequency, when. Adverbs of time or frequency indicate time or frequency of the action in the sentence. They answer the question, when or how frequently is the action performed? Here are some common examples. Always, never, often, eventually, now, frequently, occasionally, once, forever, seldom, before, Sunday, Monday, 10 a.m., 12 p.m., etc. are common adverbs of time or frequency. Adverb of time examples. I went to school a little late yesterday. He always gets a good result. I will leave on Monday. He smokes occasionally. The underline words shows adverb of time. Adverbs of place or direction, where. Adverbs of place or direction that indicate place or direction of the action in the sentence. They answer the question, where is the action performed? Here are some examples. Across, over, under, in, out, through, backward, there, around, here, sideways, upstairs, in the park, in the field, in that place, etc. are some common adverbs of place or direction. Adverb of place examples, where. I went through the jungle. He plays in the field. Alex is going to school. He is staying at my home. The underline words shows adverb of place.
Adverbs of degree, how much. Adverbs that express the importance or degree or level of the action in the sentence are called adverbs of degree. They answer the question, how much is the action performed? Completely, nearly, entirely, less, mildly, most, thoroughly, somewhat, excessively, much, etc. are common adverbs of degree. Adverb of degree, examples. She completely forgot about her anniversary. I read the newspaper thoroughly. I am so excited about the new job. Robin hardly studies. Completely, thoroughly, so, and hardly are adverb of degree. Adverbs of manner, how. Adverbs that express the manner or approach or process of the action in the sentence are called adverbs of manner. They answer the question, how is the action performed? These adverbs usually end in ly. Some adverbs of manner are beautifully, equally, thankfully, carefully, handily, quickly, coldly, hotly, resentfully, earnestly, nicely, tirelessly, etc. Examples. Let's divide the prizes equally. Equally is adverb of manner. Please, handle the camera carefully. Carefully is adverb of manner. Mike is walking slowly. Slowly is adverb of manner. He is running fast. Fast is adverb of manner.
Thanks for watching. For more informative videos or grammar learning skills, subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, comment us below. We will bring more knowledgeful videos.